chance. Hi. We opened Ona.
Okay guys, so today we have these 3 fun toy surprises. The only thing is I thought we had a 4th one. I thought I had a Shopkins one. I really thought, I don't know if I thought I put it in the bag or I cashed it, if I paid for it, if I still have it, if I misplaced it. So to be fair, what we're gonna do is Charity's gonna open one, Harmony's gonna open one, and Mommy's gonna open one. They were gonna open 2 each, but I can't find it. Okay, Charity, she really was asking to open the frozen one even before we started, so I think she should open the frozen one. Alright, so I guess they started. So I am gonna be opening this one here. It's Hello Kitty.
No, don't open it.
Why? And Charity's opening Superhero, and Charity and Harmony has Frozen.
Harmony, do you need help? Need help?
I was the first to open mine, and we got a squishy. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Oh, that's so cool.
Mommy, can I try?
Okay, hold on. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Removing all that stress.
I want to try.
Squishy. It feels really good.
I want to do this. Mommy, show it to the grandma.
Good job. Okay, and I think, okay, forgive me if I get the heroes' names wrong, but I believe this is Captain America. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure now it's Captain America. There's the A on his head.
America.
Look, let me see. Turn around. Let's see the A on his head. There's the A right there. So yeah, that's Captain America for sure. Okay, now it's Harmony's turn. Looks like Harmony got her wish come true. She got Princess Anna, and she loves Princess Anna. That's her favorite princess. Nice, she got Anna.
She comes with this.
Yep, she comes with a little stand. Are you able to do it? There we go. Anna is so pretty. Yep, and there we have it. Squishy Squish, Hello Kitty, Princess Anna, and Captain America. And my favorite is my toy. Squishy Squish, Hello Kitty.
My favorite is this toy, and this toy.
That's not a favorite. Favorites, you have to choose the one you like the most.
Okay. This one and this one.
I think you like the squishy the most because you keep asking to play with that one. And I think I know which one is Harmony's favorite. Harmony, which one's your favorite?
I'm a kitty.
Hello Kitty?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a shocker.
This is my favorite.
I thought Harmony would like this one the most, Anna.
I like Anna.
Okay guys, stay tuned for our next video. We're going to be doing 2 videos tonight.
Yeah.
Okay guys, say bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to
Subscribe.
subscribe, like and share with all your friends.
Like and share with all your friends.
See you in our next video.
Yeah.